Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a couple boxes here, and I placed an order with a company that I had never ordered from before. There's a funny story about it. Just so you know, both of these came in their own separate outer box as well. They didn't come in the same box even. This one had its own box. But it's Heartful Diamonds, and I believe that you can still order from Heartful Diamonds on Amazon, but they have a website, and that's what I ordered from. So let me tell you the story real quick. This one I've looked at several times and hadn't bought it yet, and I'll tell you why I did. I was at the gym. I was on the treadmill watching somebody's video, and they were like, hey, Heartful Diamonds are having a sale. Like, not a sale, but you could get like 15% off or something. And I thought, well, now's the time. So I ordered these while I was on the treadmill at the gym. Yep. So since I wanted that one, I thought, well, let me try just another one too. I'll get a little one. And this one's little. It's so cute. But this is what it is, you guys. Super pretty. It's a 22 by 27. Look at those beautiful flowers and that beautiful background. Buttercups, maybe? I think that's what I would call those, is buttercups. It says it's a full drill. Different box than the other one. Doesn't say Heartful Diamonds, but okay, whatever. In a box. Nice little box. Yeah. I've ordered diamond paintings on a whim before, but not usually while I'm on the treadmill at the gym. That's new. Anyhow, had to do it. Basic toolkit with some baggies. Here's our drills. Those are interesting. Pretty colors. We'll look at those in a bit. Okay, and here's our painting. All right, it's a cute little thing, right? It is cute. Look at it. It is a thicker kind of oil canvas. It's serged, scalloped. It's not fraying or anything. Okay. It is poured glue. Yippee yay, poured glue. Okay, so this one at the top says Diamond Hobby. So I don't know. Maybe they have some that have their name, Heartful Diamonds, and some they just get from a different supplier. Oh my gosh, these symbols look very Tin Me Arts. So Tin Me Arts. I mean, you just never know what factory is producing what. You just never know. But that's what those symbols look like to me. This is super small, so it's rolled super tight. And I'm rolling it backwards so that hopefully it will lay down for us, because it's just tight, tight, tight. All right, we're going to try to do a little of this, see if we'll get it to lay down, if we have to pull some plastic back. I love that it's poured glue. I love that there are no guide circles. See how there are no guide circles, just color behind the letters? This is how I like to diamond paint. I don't know about you, but this is my favorite right here. Now, there's a little white ring behind some of these dark symbols, but I mean, it's not a dark black guide circle. You know what I'm saying? Everything looks clear, doesn't it? Looks really, really good. Man, these just do look like Tin Me Arts symbols. 26 colors on this little guy. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at it. That is so gorgeous. I love it. Look at these huge keys, one on both sides, and the pictures over here with all of your statistics, 22 by 27, the color list. That is so pretty. The canvas has sparkle in it. Yep, it does. How pretty, right? Oh, I like it. It's so pretty. It did lay down nice and flat for us, right? Love it. Poured glue, clear symbols, no guide circles. Easy to read. Excellent rendering on that. I love it. Okay, so far so good. Okay, here's how the drills come. Okay, so here's a weird thing. I just noticed this. If you look at the DMC codes, because it has DMC codes, these are not in any particular order. They're just kind of all over the board, okay? But, I mean, if you number your containers 1 through 26, who cares, right? I feel a sneeze coming on. I'm going to try to avoid it, okay? I don't want to have to edit out a sneeze. All right, here's how the drills come. Are they separate? Oh, they're actually, I think they're in a strip. They are, look, they're in a strip. Okay. So I can deal with this. How about you? It has the DMC codes on them. All right, that's 310. That one's a little hard to see underneath the black drills, but it's 310. Just a little bit of each color. I mean, very pretty colors though. Look at the oranges and the greens. More oranges, okay. Oh, I like it. I like how this is coming, you guys. Yeah, and then these are like all oranges and yellows. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's just take a little gander at some of the colors here, at least one. They look good, don't they? They really do look nice. Okay, I don't see weird shapes. I don't see Pac-Mans. I don't see anything that's going to cause me too much concern. No, they look good. Nice and smooth, flat back. Not that that's a huge issue, but everything looks great. So far, so good, you guys. I like it. I like it so far. I love that picture. Love that picture. How pretty. They're either buttercups or crocus. You decide. I don't know. All right, let's get all this out of the way so we can look at the large one. Let's move it. Move it. I'm all hooked up here. Let's move it, move it. Okay, go over there. Got too much stuff on my counter right now. Too much. That's not going to be enough room. Sorry, not enough room. Let's go this way. We'll go over here by the sink. There. Hang out over there. All right, so here's the big one. This one comes in the box that says Heartful diamonds on it. Create, Love, Share, a premium 5D diamond painting kit. Some directions, things like that. Any picture on the box? Nope, no picture on the box or anything. All right. Like I said, I've seen this one. I've looked at it. Oh, it's taped. Is it taped on both ends? Sure is. Okay. Let's get into it. We got some tape we got to deal with here. It's nice and protected, right? And like I said, it came in a really large outer box as well. So, okay. All right, here we go. Oh, look, there's some information. Here's our canvas. Anything else? Nope. Box is empty, guys. Box is empty. Okay. So look, now the canvas is in a plastic bag, so it's nice and protected in its bag. Okay, this one's a little different. It's not scalloped like the other one was, but that's okay. Looks like it's a nice canvas. Here's the toolkit for this one. Baggies and such. Okay. Little multi-placer. Got a 3-placer on that one. Lots of wax. This one has a sheet that comes with it. Heartful diamonds. I'll just show you the picture on this and then we'll get into it. It has 44 colors. Wow. Okay, so this is how it comes. All right. This is a like glossy paper sheet. 44 colors. There's the symbols. We got numbers, we got letters, and then we got other symbols here. Now these are all in DMC order, and it tells you how many you'll need over here. It's called 4-Season Romance. It's a 55 by 80, and that's the picture of it. I just love this. I've looked at it, like I said, several times, and I have loved it. Go to Heartful Diamonds Club, register your purchase, get exclusive VIP offers, 60% off new products and freebies. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, let's see what we think about it. You know, it's like the seasons of love, right? They meet, they're in love, they get married, and they stay together through old age, the fall. Yeah. Can you see why I liked it? If you've heard my story with, me and Dale, our story, you know. All right. I like how protected it is and everything. Wow. So it's just your typical canvas. It's not super grainy and thick. Like, it's just nice. Look at that legend. Holy cow. Wow, that is bright. There is no denying that legend. And look, no guide circles. Yes, look at the confetti. Holy cow. Fall is full of confetti. Look at that. But you can read everything clearly. 5s, 3s, H's. I can read all that without a light pad. That's nice. That's good. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's going to be long. All right, it's going to be long. So there's fall. Okay. And I'm assuming this is like summer, spring. You know, I don't think there's really much winter here. This is raining here. I don't think there's a whole lot of winter. I think it's spring, summer, and fall. And that's okay. But look at it. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. I love that. Wow. These legends are just, wow. There's a picture up here. It tells you it's the Four Seasons Romance 55 by 80. Let's measure it and see if it's true to size. Do you think that's 55 by 80? I don't know. We'll find out here in a hot second. Let's see. Let's go this way. Let's do the 55. See if it's 55. If it's 55 this way, we can just about guarantee it's going to be 80 the other way. Nope, it is 47. Okay, so it's 47. It is not true to size. Yeah. It's like 8 centimeters. So it's quite a bit smaller than, anyhow. I don't need it bigger, but, you know, so that you know, it's not true to what the size says up there. So I'm guessing the whole canvas would be 55. Let's see. I keep doing the inches side. Yeah, whole canvas is 55, exactly. All right, so you know, all right, that's how we roll. All right, look at this bag of drills. Wow, look at that. Look at the colors. It's so pretty. Talk about confetti, man. All that tree up there is going to be confetti, but the bottom's going to be color blocking. So you get both. You can color block and you can, I've got yellow drills everywhere. Yeah. So it looks like the yellows have made an escape. Look, they're everywhere. Okay, let's be careful with this when we open it. We got runaway yellow drills. Okay. Oh, I even have one on my counter already, right there. All right. I mean, it happens. Let's just see if we can do something to keep them in this bag. Kind of give it the shakedown. Let's give it the shakedown. All right. And where is the bag of yellows that's open? Is it this one? I'm assuming there's going to be more than one yellow. I'm looking for any yellow with a hole. I don't see another yellow. It's got to be that bag. Everything else is kind of orange. So it must be that one. It's open somewhere. It's got to be open somewhere. I don't know. Okay. Let's carefully take this out. Oh, it could be this one over here. No, I think it's this one. I'm trying to find openings on anything where it could be escaping, but I'm just not. I'm trying to just be careful here, guys. I don't know. Okay. All right. Let's see if this is like a couple strands and we can, okay, that's one. Okay. There's one. Okay, there's no yellow in that one. There's yellow in this strand here. Okay. Just being careful. And there's yellow in this strand. It's not this one. No, I think it is this one. Yep, it's that one. That one's super bright. I'm just going to leave that in there for now. And we'll just kind of get a glance at the colors. I think I can do it like this. The way these strips are. These are all separate strips, by the way. Look. Strip, strip. There's that other yellow, but yeah, that's a pale yellow. So you can see that every bag has a DMC code on it, if you can see that. I'll show you. Look at this pretty peach color. Has a DMC code, has the number of the canvas, and I'm assuming that's the number of the kit. Does it have a kit number on it anywhere? I don't know. I don't see a kit number. Yeah, I don't see a kit number. Anyhow, you got the number on the bag, DMC code. Beautiful colors. Okay, lots and lots of colors. So I'm not going to take these other ones out of the bag until I can maybe rebag this yellow in here. It's attached to the blacks. Let's see. I just don't know where it's coming out at. Let's see. I don't know. Anyhow, we'll corral those in a little bit here, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just put this one right back in here before we lose any and set that aside. So anyhow, what do you think of it? It was one of those, I looked and I looked and I looked and I looked at it, and then finally I just, okay, for 15% off, I'll buy it on the treadmill. Anyhow, it's super pretty. I love it. All right, well, there's only one way to find out exactly how good this kit is, and that's put some drills on it, of course. But, you know, I have a lot of them. I'd love to put drills on all of them, but I'm not a serial starter. I'm not. I like to do a project and finish it. All right, that's my purchase from Heartful Diamonds, you guys. So link them below, and go check them out. I love this picture. Okay, that's it for now. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'm gonna find a bag for these drills and contain those that are spilled out there and clean it up. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Okay, bye.